Samsung Galaxy S25. The device is off. The first thing that I'm going to do is to hit the back of this device and then start the removal process of the back glass. This should be enough for me to start the removal process of this back glass. So now trying to pull and have a small gap. As you can see, there is a small gap already, and I just need to insert a guitar pick, then continue detaching the back. So when the back glass is at the right temperature, you're not going to have any issues starting removing the back. This should be enough for me to remove the back of this device. And the back has been removed. This one is the flex cable for this thing, the wireless coil, which is going to charge your device wirelessly. So disconnect that cable. It goes all the way to the top here. So be careful, be gentle, and that's it, it's out. So now the next thing to do is to remove this metallic plate, which is covering the battery cable. So all the screws are the same, so you do not really need to keep track of which one is which, since all of them come from this metallic plate. For the battery cable, do it with your finger, or you can do it with a plastic tool. Do it with the finger. The battery cable is disconnected, so we are free to remove anything out of this Galaxy S25. Next thing, in order to replace the battery of this device, you need to remove the battery cable, then remove these covering the battery, these cables, and then you can decide to remove these also in order to have enough space to work on the battery. But with this Galaxy S25, you can do it very easily since the design of the battery installation and removal has changed. You do not really need to remove all these cables because you're not going to struggle in the removal process of the battery. So let's remove this and test what I just said. 2, peel off this side, this one, and that one. Next, you can simply do this and remove the battery. As you can see, the battery is out. Here's the battery of the Galaxy S25. Very easy to remove due to this new design implementation for the battery installation and removal. Very easy, extremely easy. You do not have to fight with the battery, and you can even leave the cables in and do your battery removal.